So we're going to go into neighborhood method now. But before we can do that, we first need to go through what's called a baseline predictor. And before we can go to a baseline predictor, we first want to talk about the general notion of a parameterized model. Now we're going to see also parameterized model in a very different context in the next chapter with Bayesian analysis. In general, we want to build a model that is some mathematical representation of the problem we want to solve. Sometimes this model carries with it a bunch of parameters. We'll see a lot of parameters today. And these parameterized models will go into the so-called training phase first, where you have some observations, but you also have the ground truth. And you take the observations, make prediction, and compare with the ground truth. And then the difference is what something that you want to minimize by tuning the model parameters. After this step of training, you have optimized model parameters. Then you go into the actual real action, which is the prediction step, where you take these optimized parameters in the model, optimized by the training phase with the known ground truth, and then you take the observation to make predictions. Sometimes other people have the ground truth, like Netflix had the ground truth for the Netflix prize, but you don't. So training followed by prediction. In training phase, we train your parameter, just like a voice recognition system on your computer or phone or car, and you first train them by speaking out certain known sentences. These sentences are the ground truth, and then the computer will take in the observation, which is the recording of your voice, and then train the parameters before going into the actual action of making predictions in the future for you.